All right, what's up, everybody? It's Brent Center here with Redfin, coming to you today out here in Commerce City. Some more new construction, and as you can see, and keep picking not the best days. The last two times it's been windy, and look at this ranch. And today it's like raining, snowing. So we'll just head on in. So out here, again, new construction. This one is move-in ready, as you'll see. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, just under 600K, just over 1,700 square feet, and there's an unfinished basement, which is probably about maybe just a little bit less square footage. So if you finish that up, probably over 3,000 square feet here. But let's take a peek. You got your first bedroom here off to the left. And got a coat closet there, full bath here. Got the nice dark fixtures, black fixtures. And, oh, it has an office as well too. So you've got this little office area, and this is pretty big. I mean, obviously there's no closet. You could use it as a bedroom if you wanted, but great office space. Coat closet there. You have your laundry in here, your garage in here. The right or garage door is not open yet, but 2-car garage. If you've seen one garage, you've probably seen most of them. And then pretty open, again, ranch style home. Pretty open concept in here. We're seeing a lot of this. Just wide open in the living room to the kitchen. Got a pantry here. Got the gray counters and the black finish there. There's gas stove, really nice microwave. Check out this sink though, fancy. And then these are quartz countertops. Yeah, alrighty. And the builders and their lender, both, here's the primary bedroom, are offering some great financing incentives right now. Huge. So again, this is move-in ready. I mean, if you're ready to go, this is it. So reach out to me. I'll get you those. The incentives switch up quite often, so it's best that you just reach out and see what they're offering currently. But you got dual sinks in here. Again, the black finishes. And then check out this tub. Stand-up shower. And then large walk-in closet. Alrighty. And that's about it for upstairs. I'll just run downstairs real quick, show you the size of the basement. It's huge. And it is plumbed too, if you wanted to finish it. Put another bathroom down here. But yeah, check it out. Tall ceilings. Let's see. But yeah, it's pretty. I can get the square footage, but it's almost the entire bottom footprint of upstairs, which was just over 1,700. You got a sump pump over there in the corner. Water heater. Oop, almost tripped. Oh, it goes back here even further. I didn't even see that. Back here. Water. And so anyway, that's it. This is over in Commerce City, again, just under 600K, 2-bed, 2-bath, office, lender incentives, the whole 9 yards. So feel free to reach out. We'll schedule a tour. And there's a ton of homes over here that are move-in ready. So there's ranch, there's 2-story. I'll have a couple other videos as well too. So give me a call if you're interested. Thanks again.